Greetings to all. We the members of Kumari Avenue Thereby and Finance Program 2025 to 2026 have gathered in Collegial Estuary to do the field study of the topic nutrient flow, sedimentation dynamics and managing and challenges of small tidal confluence point. I am ST Staffia Graceland.
Myself Asma Shari. Myself S.A. Vishnu. I am Arpama MS. Myself Yamada. I am Sarina. Myself Pooja. Myself Yamahana.
Estuary is a place where fresh water bodies like rivers, lakes meet the oceans and creates a brackish water. Estuaries are also called the nurseries of the oceans.
The Collegial Estuary is a significant ecological and historical transition zone located in the Kanyakumari district of Tamil Nadu, India. It serves as a merging point where freshwater ecosystems merge with the Arabian Sea. The estuary is primarily formed by the confluence of the Bamboo River. It is linked to the AVM Canal, which runs parallel to the coastline.
In estuaries, nutrient flow is the movement and chemical transformation of essential elements like nitrogen, carbon and phosphorus which will travel through the fresh waters and reach the seawater.
The Collegial Estuary remains a critical transition zone where riverine and marine nutrients mix, driven by seasonal flows and tidal intrusions. While this balanced flow is fundamental to the high biological productivity of the Kanyakumari coastline, the estuary also acts as a reservoir for heavy metals and pollutants. Excessive nutrient loading from agriculture and sewage now frequently triggers eutrophication, threatening the delicate ecological health of this vital waterway.
Jar test method is used to check the nutrient flow of water.
Sedimentation dynamics refers to the way in which sand, soil and clay or particles in water move and settle due to gravity. Maintaining the healthy sedimentation process is important for balance and the survival of estuary ecosystems.
The way sand and mud move in the Collegial Estuary is a tug of war between the Kodaya River and the waves of the Arabian Sea. The river brings down silt and clay while the ocean pushes in sand. The movement of the sediment changes with seasons. During monsoon months, powerful waves eat away at the shoreline, carrying sand out to the sea. However, man-made walls and harbor structures now block some of this natural movement, causing sand to pile up in some spots.
We used glass jar experiment.
Challenges of small tidal influence point. Saltwater intrusion. Dry seasons allow saltwater to contaminate fresh water, affecting agriculture and drinking water.
Eutrophication. Too many nutrition in waters causes algae to growth and reduce oxygen.
Climate change impacts. Rising sea levels and extreme weather conditions increases flooding and erosion risks.
Low oxygen. When the oxygen is lower in water, the fishes and the other animals cannot survive in water.
Limited resources for management. Small estuaries often lack funding and expertise for effective conservation.
Built barriers that close during high tides to block the ocean. Let some land floods naturally to take the pressure off cities. Use high-tech alarms to warn people when water level rises.
Protect mangroves and reduce erosion. Prevent small tidal ponds ecosystem. Prevent waste dumping to protect water quality in the small tidal ponds.
Collegial Estuary suffers from significant pollution as the ecosystem is degraded by its domestic sewage, plastic waste and pollutants from the AVM Canal, which have led to reduced biodiversity and a decline in local fish populations.
The collegial fishing community views the estuary as a vital, harmonious ecosystem that sustains their livelihood. They recognize it as a crucial nursery for brackish water species that would otherwise perish in the open sea. While the water is too salty for domestic use, the community has no grievances as the estuary is integral to their traditional way of life and local fish population.
Study concludes that the Colachal estuary is a dynamic nutrient corridor heavily influenced by tidal flushing and human activity. While seawater helps dilute pollutants, high nutrient hotspots near the harbor and runoff points indicate significant land-based pressure. Maintaining this balance is vital to protecting the estuary's role as a biological nursery and ensuring the health of the local coastal ecosystem.